Telehandlers or telescopic material handlers are used for transporting and placing materials on a job site. They can be fitted with a wide range of attachments that allow telehandlers to be used in various applications. The SkyTrak 6042 telehandler features a maximum lifting capacity of 6,000 pounds and a maximum lift height of 42 feet 4 inches. It is important to wear the protective clothing and personal safety devices issued to you or required for job conditions. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry that can get caught on controls or moving parts. The 6042's lightweight design with optimized boom and frame structure allows for more efficient, cost-effective transport, giving you the ability to haul 2 units on one flatbed trailer. This model features best-in-class maneuverability due to the 95-inch width and smaller tires. The large LCD display provides a data-rich interface along with single-page load charts for added convenience. The advanced control system allows for more options and improved diagnostics. Options include load stability indication, which senses forward load capacity and displays color-coded visuals to help operators work with higher confidence. Seatbelt engagement and operator presence features seatbelt engagement assurance, operator presence functionality, and a high visibility orange seatbelt to enhance safety with the use of visual and audible alarms, as well as limiting machine functions. Remote diagnostics and richer telematics connectivity improves data collection and troubleshooting to maximize uptime. Multifunctional electric over hydraulic joystick includes auxiliary hydraulic functions and attachment tilt capabilities, single-handedly elevating job site efficiency. Hydrostatic transmission provides greater control, ease of operation, and includes inching functionality for faster delivery of materials at height. This machine can be operated under normal conditions in temperatures of 0 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Consult JLG for operation outside this range or under abnormal conditions. If equipped for extreme cold weather, -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, see extreme cold weather starting procedure. Make sure all controls are in neutral and all electrical components such as lights, heater, defroster, etc. are turned off. Apply park brake. Turn the ignition switch to position 1 and wait until engine preheat indicator goes out. Turn ignition switch to position 2 to engage starting motor. Release key immediately when engine starts. If engine fails to start within 20 seconds, release key and allow starting motor to cool for 2 minutes before trying again. After engine starts, observe indicators. If indicators remain on for more than 5 seconds, stop engine and determine cause before restarting the engine. Warm up the engine at approximately half throttle. Do not run engine up to high idle and/or full load immediately after starting. Note, engine will not start unless transmission is in neutral and park brake is applied. Always refer to the appropriate operation and safety manual for precautions and operating procedures essential for the safe and proper machine operation for its intended purpose. Begin with a workplace inspection and then follow the guidance provided in the operation and safety manual for the pre-start inspection, proper operation, and proper shutdown. When parking the telehandler, park in a safe location on flat level ground and away from other equipment and/or traffic lanes. Apply the park brake. Shift the transmission to neutral. Lower forks or attachment to the ground. Operate engine at low idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Do not over-rev the engine. Shut off the engine and remove the ignition key. Exit telehandler properly. Block wheels if necessary. Please use the following procedure for proper machine tie-down. Level the telehandler prior to loading. Using a spotter, load telehandler with boom as low as possible. Once loaded, apply parking brake and lower boom until boom or attachment is resting on deck. Move all controls to neutral, stop engine, and remove ignition key. Secure machine to deck by passing chains through designated tie-down points as shown in figure. Do not tie down the front of the boom. Note: user assumes all responsibility for choosing the proper method of transportation and tie-down devices, making sure equipment used is capable of supporting weight of vehicle being transported, and that all manufacturer's instructions and warnings, regulation and safety rules of their employer, Department of Transportation, and/or any other local, state, or federal provincial laws are followed. Before loading telehandler for transport, make sure deck, ramps, and telehandler wheels are free of mud, snow, and ice. Failure to do so could cause telehandler to slide. The weight of the machine is listed on the serial number plate located at the front of the frame. Actual machine weight and center of gravity will vary depending on the attachment, fluid levels, and machine options. Actual weight and center of gravity should be verified prior to lifting. When lifting the machine, it is very important that the lifting device and equipment is attached only to designated lifting points. The appropriate lifting locations are on the sides of the frame for the front and the rear of the machine. Make adjustments to the lifting device and equipment to ensure the machine will be level when elevated. The machine must remain level at all times while being lifted. Machine must never be lifted by any point on the boom. Take care not to let cables, chains, slings, etc. contact any part of the vehicle during lift. Ensure that the boom is retracted and lowered. Ensure that the lifting device and equipment is adequately rated and suitable for the intended purpose. Remove all loose items from machine prior to lifting of the machine. Lift at a slow, even pace. Obtain any additional training regarding the proper lifting procedures that may be required. Please consult the local, state, and employer regulations. The SkyTrak 6042 is primarily used in general and residential construction applications.
Contact Herc Rentals to rent telehandlers and reach forklifts, or for more information.